Hey guys, we are going to stay on our second hotel here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Let's check it out. Today, I'm checking in at Asia Like Boutique Hotel. And if you're traveling Kuala Lumpur on a budget, this might be the one for you. Check-in was quick and hassle-free, which is always a plus after a long day of exploring. The lobby is simple but clean and the staff are friendly and helpful. So this is the back door entry if you're going to use the other side. Let's do now a quick room tour. This is a room. It is compact but very functional. Perfect if you're the type of traveler who's out all day exploring the city. You get a comfy bed, air conditioning, a TV, and a private bathroom. Everything is clean and well maintained, which honestly matters most. Aside from that, there is also a complimentary water, tea, coffee, and you can refill your water outside. There's a water dispenser so you can get hot or cold water. There is also an open cabinet where you can put your things and hang your clothes and your luggage. You can put them aside. For the toilet and bath, it is simple but clean with hot shower available. Super important after walking all day in KL's heat. And there is also a hair dryer available and hanging rack for your wet clothes or your
Also, we have
toiletries
here
or
the
your towels. One of the best things about staying here is the location. You're close to public transportation like the monorail and MRT or LRT, local eateries, and popular spots like Jalan Alur, which is a few steps away from the hotel, as well as the Berjaya Times Square, also the Pitaling Street, Merdeka Square, and other city attractions. Perfect base if you want to explore KL without spending too much on
By the
transportation.
way, I'm staying here at Asia Like Boutique Hotel. I'm at the back part of the hotel. So they have the roadside entrance as well as the back door. Just to give a short review for this hotel, if you are traveling to Kuala Lumpur and want to stay a bit not so cheap but still decent enough, I think this place is good for you because on this area, on the other side, is the Berjaya Times Square, very near the monorail, just 2 to 3 minutes. No, not even 3 minutes. You just cross the other side, then you'll find the monorail of KL. So I think this one is a good recommendation if you want to have a decent, budget-friendly hotel in Kuala Lumpur. If you like this, you can check the link on my description and book here at Asia Light Boutique Hotel. So as
See
you
ya.
can see, that's the Berjaya over there at Times Square. My hotel is on this side. So it's so
Good
near.
morning, guys. Today is our last day here in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm going to review this hotel where I stayed for 2 nights for a budget-friendly people like me and those who want to stay on the budget. First, location-wise, it's 5 over 5. Why? Monorail is just around there. So a few meter or steps away from the hotel, you can find the monorail going to KL Central and other parts of the where the monorail runs. Okay. And also MRT and LRT is um, also near also here. So last night I took the MRT LRT line and I was able to go up directly to Halan Allure. Then I didn't know that Halan Allure, when you go straight there and you turn left, you will find this hotel. So that's how near Halan Allure in this place. Also, going to Chinatown, it's so near here. You can even walk. If you are good in walking, at least how 15 to 20 minutes of walking going there is such a good exercise already, but you can also use Grab, of course. So 5 over 5 for the location. For the staff, It's 5/5. Why? They are nice, friendly, very accommodating. For the cleanliness, it's clean. They have the amenities already, the basic needs you need. There's also a water dispenser outside if you want to get water, hot or cold. It's free. Anytime you can refill your tumbler. And for the value for money, it's 5/5 because you can stay on a budget at the center of Bukit Bintang. So that's all for my review on this hotel. So I hope you, when you come to Kuala Lumpur and you want to stay in this hotel, or any hotel in Bukit Bintang, there's a link down below on my description box. You can click it out and check it out. So that's all. Thank you until our next stay here in Malaysia. Bye.